Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily. In today's video I will share with you how I put this 3D TV box together. It wasn't that complicated, but it might look complicated because I will have a see-through window where the sort of TV should have been. You can definitely fill this box with a mini album or with pictures of you and your family or whatever you would like. But I will just put together the box in this video, and hopefully it will be quite quick so you can see how this is meant to go together, and also maybe get some tips and tricks on how you can opening this box in another way. I have seen the design team create this box, but they had the opening, I don't know if all of them had, but I saw them have the opening to the front where the TV was, and I thought that was quite nice. So go check that out if you haven't seen it. But it was fun for me to create this with just a lid. So the thing I'm doing now is just creasing all of the score line that the die created for us so that the box will come together nicely. And when all of that is done, we can take some liquid glue and just attach all of the sides. Here is one of the sides, and here is the bottom part. So I'm attaching one side here, and then we can go ahead and attach the next side, and that is the side where the TV is. I'm just making sure that I'm lining everything up, so I'm looking from both sides when I'm attaching this. And then we can attach the bottom, and then we can attach all of this together, so we can attach the sides to the bottom using some more liquid and just pressing it into place. I will use my fingers and a pen just to help me keep everything in place. So you can see here what I'm doing. And then we have the last side. So I'm just tucking that to the side. Using my fingers one more time, just holding it against the sides. And then some more liquid glue. And then it will attach to itself. So for the front now, I will need to glue some acetate to the inside of this, and then some pattern paper on top of it to make it beautiful. I could have done this before I attached everything. It probably would have been a little bit easier, but you can see it wasn't a big problem. It fitted nicely. It was just a little bit fibbly to line it up. And then we can go ahead and fill it with some goodies. And then some more acetate to this side and some foam. You can see here, I'm just peeling away all of the release paper. And you can use you can use stamped images, you can use some ephemera from your stash, you can use sequins, you can use whatever you like your TV to be filled with. You could have family photos that will be floating around in there. I think that could be cute as well. And our shaker is created. Now I'm taking, there's dies to cut out pattern papers for all of the sides, so I'm doing that. And there is also sort of the remote or the panel for controlling the TV. This is an old TV, a retro TV maybe I should say. So I cut that out of some other pattern papers from the same collection. I will stag it up with some more paper. And then we can decorate the inside of the lid as well, so everything will match. And there you go, you can see how this will be closing. And you can see, oh, I had my control coming off, but I fixed it. But you can see this is a quite nice size of a box, and it came together super fast, and it wasn't too hard to put together. And you can definitely write a message on the back if you'd like to give this away as a gift. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I will have links down below for all of the products that I used in this video, and I will soon be back with some more content. Until then, have a great day. Bye!